Today I show you how to make a delicious pumpkin bacon pasta recipe right at home. This hearty fall recipe is flavorful, quick to prepare and absolutely perfect for those cozy evenings at home. We're starting this pumpkin recipe with Italian pancetta. Slice it into strips and place them in a pan. Pancetta is a traditional Italian cured meat with a delicious peppery crust. Unlike regular bacon, pancetta is air-dried and not smoked. A great alternative is guanciale made from pork cheek, which has a similar flavor. If you can't find either, you can also use fresh bacon or salted bacon. Smoked bacon works too, but the flavor is greatly impaired. I recommend asking at your local Italian deli for the best results. Let the fat from the pancetta melt in the pan over medium heat. We don't need any additional oil, because the pancetta fat replaces it perfectly. This dish fits well with the Mediterranean diet, thanks to its healthy ingredients like olive oil and pumpkin. While the pancetta is cooking, scoop out the seeds from your pumpkin and cut it into pieces. Don't throw away the seeds. You can roast them in the oven or pan for a healthy snack packed with vitamins. The skin of the Hokkaido pumpkin is edible and softens when cooked almost like the flesh itself. You can also use other types of pumpkins with edible skin, such as butternut squash, which has a mild, slightly sweet flavor, or a muscat pumpkin, which has a pleasant nutmeg note and a refreshing acidity, ideal for autumn dishes. Now flip the pancetta and make sure the pan isn't too hot, or the fat might burn. We'll need this fat later to cook the pumpkin and give it that extra flavor. Once the pancetta is golden and crispy, remove it from the pan and set it aside for later. Pancetta has a fantastic texture that adds an extra touch for the dish, crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Add the pumpkin in the pan and fry it in the fat from the pancetta. Salt it and fry it over medium heat for about 10 minutes until it is soft. If you can't find the pancetta, you can use olive oil as a substitute. Now salt the cooking water and add the tagliatelle. Egg pasta only takes a few minutes, but if you're using durum wheat pasta, cook it earlier since it takes longer. Chop the garlic into small pieces. The finer you chop it, the stronger the flavor will be. When garlic is chopped, it releases allicin, a compound that's not only antibacterial but also boosts your immune system, and it's great for your overall health. Give the tagliatelle a stir. What's your favorite pumpkin dish? Let us know in the comments. Now add the garlic to the pan and reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for about a minute so it releases its full aroma. To enhance the dish even more, we'll season it with some thyme and a pinch of freshly ground pepper. Thyme brings a fresh aromatic note and pairs perfectly with the pumpkin. After that, immediately add the pasta to the pan, otherwise the thyme will burn and lose its full flavor. Add about 1 to 2 ladles of pasta water. The starch in the water helps the sauce cling better to the pasta. Stir everything together, making sure the pasta is evenly coated with the sauce. You can either stir it normally or give the pan a good toss. I bet you're wondering what happened to the pancetta, right? Now's the time to sprinkle it over the pasta and refine with some grated parmesan. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. This helps us to be recommended on YouTube. Also check out here our delicious pumpkin soup, perfect for cold days. Thanks for watching and see you next time.